In front of me is INFINIX Hot 9, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select accounts right here. And as you can see right now, we are connected via Google account, so just open it to remove, click on remove account, and then confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its data. Click on OK to confirm, and use pattern or your fingerprint to confirm your selection, and that's it. As you can see, it has been deleted. Then if you would like to add another account, you have to open accounts as well, click on add account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and reach Google. Now enter your phone number or email address, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it is email address. And click on next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just read it carefully, and if you do agree with everything, just click on I agree. Select more and click on accept to confirm your selection, and that's it. You've just added Google account to this device. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your INFINIX Hot 9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.